Hi everybody, it's Erin from Epapere. Welcome back. It's been a while, I know, and that's because I had a little bit of a rough end to the year. As you know, I injured my finger, and then over the holidays I got COVID, and so was sick for a few weeks, and so that just kind of like backed everything up. I'm okay now. And my son is okay. He also got it. We were just kind of out of commission for a few weeks. And so everything just, got backed up. And so I needed to take a few weeks to catch up on some things and get myself in order before I shot any more videos. So for those of you who have been subscribing to the channel, whether that's because you're a fan of the shop or just kind of directed here by one of the other YouTubers, or you've seen something in my videos that you've liked, thank you for sticking around and being patient. I appreciate that. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I hope that you're going to see some more exciting things come now that I'm better. I've just finished, well, I'm still a little bit in progress, but I've reorganized my studio, so I'm going to do a studio tour soon. But today I have a new digital kit that is, the papers are already out on the shop. The Ephemer Kit is getting released, momentarily to the shop as well. So it is called Garden Collage, and I'm going to do a flip through right now. So, okay, so we're going to go through the Garden Collage digital kit today. And let me make sure my mic wire is not in the way. Good. All right. So here is the paper kit. It's two separate listings. There's one for paper and one for ephemera. Paper kit, I believe, is 10 pages. Ephemera is also 10 pages. So they're good, healthy size kits. So this one is, I wanted like warm pastels, and what I was envisioning was kind of like a late summer afternoon, kind of almost getting to sunset a little bit, just kind of those really peachy golden colors, or possibly early morning, but that kind of color scheme. So you'll see birds and butterflies and flowers and stuff, but the collage element comes in where I've got a lot of elements where it's got torn paper edges, a lot of piecing together of different things. So here we go. So there's the first page. And I did go, even though I went with softer colors here, I did still go a little bit brighter. Not quite so washed out, but still fairly kind of vintagey. This background is hand drawn by me. So I put a lot of elements also of kind of like washi tape and things like that in there. I thought that was fun. Tossed some blues in here as well, but it's mostly kind of greens and golds and peaches and pinks. Nice collage page, some lacy elements, watercolor florals. There's a deeper green. These watercolor butterflies I think are fun. This one's kind of cool. It's got kind of like a light leak on it, so it almost looks like it's, you've got some sun shining through a window on there, or it's been kind of faded by the sun. It's kind of a neat effect. And we've got some photos worked in, and one that brings in some deeper colors, some browns and things like that. So that is the paper kit. And again, I design things in the hopes that you're going to mix and match. So in another video, I'm going to show you what the journal that I'm going to work on using this kit and the other papers that I'm going to pull into it. So here's the Ephemer Kit. I've given you plenty of fussies here. These I made smaller than what you normally see for fussy cuts. You should be able to, possibly punch these out or just kind of, loosely fussy cut them. But video after video, I see YouTubers or other crafters, sifting through their different embellishments to put on a tag or a pocket. And they're like, nope, that's too big. Nope, that's too big. Gonna have to cut that down. And so I figured we all have our share of larger butterflies and flowers and things like that. So I made us some smaller ones. So that's why they're tiny. If you think that I should include some larger ones, let me know that in the comments. Do you prefer smaller fussy cuts or larger fussy cuts or a variety? I'm always looking for feedback. So let me know what it is that you like. And I will definitely tailor digitals to your tastes. We've got some writing cards with some lines on them, so you can decorate the backside however you want, but there's some nice journaling space there. You've got two kind of corner pocket, they're generously sized, and then one tall card. There's kind of an element of, I've brought in some images of Impressionist art in here, also some landscape paintings. It's kind of me, I'm eclectic. Nothing's ever going to just look matchy. It's going to all be kind of a festival of different looks. So 3 large tags. Each one of my little ladies here has some butterfly wings and a different treatment. Kind of a large belly band down here. We've got a page with some small banners, several postage stamps in a couple of different sizes, 3 page tabs, 9 tickets in 3 different colors, 4 kind of T card, I guess, size or business card size cards, 4 postcards, this page has 5 different pockets on it. And this page has kind of 4 medium tags. These are a little bit lighter in value. You could write on this surface or decorate this, and 8-inch circle punches. I've also, we all love our labels, so I've given you a page of labels and numbers and tags. The words that are included in this kit are smile, blossom, serendipity, lovely, fantastic, sunshine, nature, and serenity, in 2 different colors. And then I've got some, kind of a green, khaki, blue, and gold sets of labels and numbers. So, and then some square cards. You can make them into pockets or cards or use them as embellishments or whatever you want. Collage with them. So that is the Ephemer Kit. So, and then the last thing I did just to do something different, I took my favorite collage page. Let's see, pull it out of the paper pack here. Where are you? It's always, it's going to be, there it is. It's going to be the last one I grab. All right. So I took this paper and I printed it on a couple of different things. So I tried more of a brownish colored antique-y paper. Look how gorgeous that is. So here we've got the original, and here I printed it on the darker paper. I've also printed it on vellum, and this turned out absolutely gorgeous. And then I also printed this out on some packing labels. So if I peel the sides off, now what I've got are some kind of ready-made, you know, background stickers and whatnot. So that's fun too. But yeah, just some different things that we can do with, you know, with the pages. I thought that was kind of fun just to try some different options. So I'm ready to have fun with these. I hope you guys enjoy the kit, and we'll see you soon. Bye.